I am your host, Don T. ByOptions. Welcome back to Options Uncensored, the only show where we don't buy the hype. We sell it for premium. Today's episode is called Paper Profits Don't Pay the Bills, but Premium Does. Let's bring in the man who puts the cash in cash-secured puts. Craig, aka the Option King.
Thanks, Don. Look, I used to be the guy buying options. I wanted the big wins. But 9 times out of 10, those gains, just paper. The stock didn't move fast enough or the market turned on me.
So what did you do? Cry into your Robinhood account?
Yeah, pretty much, until I figured it out. Selling options puts real money in your account. Not someday, not maybe. Every time you sell premium, that's cash that clears.
Ah, yes. Sweet, sweet theta decay.
Exactly. You can sell a put, collect the premium, and if you get assigned, now you own a stock you already wanted. Then you turn around, sell a covered call, rinse and repeat. That's not gambling, that's cash flow.
Because let's face it, hope is not a strategy, but premium, that's payday.
Exactly.
If you're tired of chasing dreams and ready to start cashing checks, hit like, subscribe, and visit coltechinvestments.com to take the Options 101 class.